Now let's take you to another story that's coming in from the capital. It is a shocking murder of how a family, the entire family, has been wiped out systematically due to business rivalry. And it's a case that's come to light after 27-year-old property matter in which a 27-year-old property dealer, was arrested for allegedly killing the entire family of BSP leader Munawar Hassan, who was the business partner of this 27-year-old property dealer. The financial dispute matter coming to light where Bunty has killed Munawar's wife and daughters. He had asked the wife and daughters of Munawar to accompany him to Meerut, where he killed them in a field, shooting them. The accused property dealer is Sahib Khan alias Bunty. He had hired 3 contract killers also to murder Hassan. And once Hassan was out of jail, he was in jail regarding a property dispute that the two had. He murdered first his wife and 2 daughters. Then he also called his 2 sons to his office. He murdered both of them, shot them and hid the body in a dry tank. My colleague Supratik Banerjee joining us with more details as well. Supratik, this is as gory as it gets, because when the matter came to light of how this BSP leader was shot at by contract killers as well because of property rivalry, the neighbors have said, we did hear the gunshots, but no one dare complain against this area's goon Bunty.
Exactly, Divina. This is indeed a very shocking story which surfaced from Delhi as well as from Meerut. There are 2 places of occurrences of all these 3 murders. 2 places are in Delhi, located in nearby places, and another one is in Meerut near Kali Nadi. And let me tell you that this happened in the time span of around 1 month. And this Bunty, who is the main conspirator of this all 6 murders, is now under police custody, and on the basis of his statements and on the basis of his identification, now police is trying to dig out 3 bodies of Munawar Hassan's wife and 2 daughters from the location where they have been killed in Meerut near the Kali Nadi. And again, what you are saying, that they are goons and they are already in the business of...
But Supratim, tell me this. The cops were able to track down the entire and join the dots only after this accused Bunty had confessed, because the killings happened way back in mid-April. First, his wife of BSP leader and 2 daughters were killed in a field in Meerut. Then BSP leader's sons were killed. Their bodies were thrown in a dry tank in this Bunty's office. And these killings have happened. Nobody was able to track down Bunty's entire plan till the time he confessed. It talks majorly about a security loophole right here in the capital, where a person can go on this mass killing spree without being traced or caught.
In fact, this has happened just because the family which is living here in Delhi are virtually keeping themselves isolated from the neighbors, and that is why this fellow Bunty has eliminated them gradually, but no one came to know about this incident. Lastly, when Munawar Hassan has been killed by hired killers in his very place in Buradi, Delhi, it was an open and shut murder case that people found Munawar Hassan killed in daylight. And when police arrived there and police started joining the dots of this case, they found that Bunty is very close to Munawar Hassan. He was even helping Munawar Hassan to find out his family members.
In fact, Supratim, according to reports, he was the one who called up the cops to say that Munawar Hassan is missing, and that's the brazenness with which he was operating. He thought nobody could touch him. It's only during the interrogation that he broke down, and that's when the entire story came out. Chilling story from the capital of how a person can go on a killing spree without being detected, has the audacity to call the cops even after his hired goons have eliminated his business rival. We'll talk more about that and the alarming situation of the state of security in the capital.